Master Botox or dermal fillers in just one day. Introducing Empire Fast Track, the most hands-on, immersive training in aesthetics. This one-day intensive is your exclusive preceptorship, giving you more product, more practice, and full mastery of all treatment areas fast. Choose your track, Botox or dermal fillers, and train with the master instructors you already know and trust in an exclusive, small group setting. Get the ultimate insider experience at our Centers of Excellence, the private facilities of our expert instructors, where you'll inject like a pro while learning exactly how top practices run and operate. Gain unmatched hands-on practice, inject with confidence, enhance your patient care, and start earning more revenue immediately. This is not just a course, it's an accelerated learning experience, giving you everything you need to master Botox or dermal filler injections. Spots are limited. Call 844-565-3131 today or visit EmpireMedicalTraining.com. Fast track your success. Enroll now.